Hi everyone, this is Azay Bicolana, Dream Home Finder in Pampanga, and for today we have a brand new house for sale here at St. Colby Subdivision. And this one's located here at San Fernando, and we have several schools available within the area, and also sa tapat lang ng subdivision is the hospital. Now for the house, it's a very beautiful modern Asian for the theme. And also the subdivision, in addition, is a secured po. Pasukin na natin yung bahay. Ang ganda niya, no? Sa facade parang iba din yung design niya. You have right here, you have your deco blocks, and then over there, you have your 2 vehicle carport. Pasukin natin. Tara! Oh, ayan. Pagpasok pa lang natin ng pedestrian gate, naka-elevate na yung pinaka-bahay. That's a good thing. Mga magtatanong kung binabaha ba tong area. So, ayan, nakita nyo elevated yung bahay. Now, this area is your 2 vehicle carport. Spacious one, a fully covered, and kitang-kita nyo yung space niya. Kasyang-kasya yung full-size vehicle. Tapos dito, this kind of porch, kumbaga, is very easy to maintain. Walis-walis lang. And then right there is your setback from the other properties. Ang laki pa niyan hanggang papunta sa likod nyo. And then this one, ang ganda nito pala. Yung cladding na to. Ayan. Now, we will check what's inside. So, you have a solid wood for your door and a smart digital lock na for your main door. Tara! Welcome to your dream home. Itang. Close ka lang. Rather buksan ko. Diba no? Cozy yung pagpasok ng bahay. Parang medyo iba nga yung design talaga nito. Even yung mga windows niya. Parang farmhouse yung design. Well, anyway, this is your living room and the house comes unfurnished. Also, facing east pala siya. So, mga 12 noon po nang sinut namin yung bahay. Yes! Hindi naman mainit. Okay, over here, you have your entertainment wall na. Ito mga PU stone to. Ito na yung nauso ngayon sa mga bagong build na house. So, kasya yung kahit 55 to 65 inch TV naman dito. Pati tiles na ginamit nila, iisa lang sa buong ground floor. So, ang linis tignan. And then, from your living room, you have here your island countertop, which I like kasi kahit yung pinaka-lot mo mismo is hindi masyadong malaki. Talagang binigyan na lang ng maraming space. Malaking space yung pinaka-kitchen. Ito yung very important eh. Siyempre, everyday tayo magluluto. So, right here, pwede na siyang breakfast nook. Tapos, malaki din siya. Parang table na talaga siya. But, you have your space naman for your dining area. And also, very useful kasi storage na rin siya. Right here. Oopsie. Sa bandang likod, this side is where you can put your stove. The lahat ng cabinet. And also sa mga provision pala, may mga provision na siya. Pati air condition unit, meron na. You have your large sink. Ito space for your additional appliances. As well as talagang mga overhead cabinets hanggang sa taas. At isa pa, other side is where you can put your fridge naman. Right here, kahit, 2-door. And another storage. So, makikip talaga lahat ng gamit. Now, next door. Now, for this one naman, this door is your setback nga from the other side. So, semi-detached yung pinakabahay nyo. This one, may provision for your washing machine. This could be your laundry area. And as you can see, napaka-spacious pa rin ng natirang space dito. So, pwede nyo pang i-extend kapag nakuha nyo na talaga yung pinaka-bahay. Pwedeng mag-add ng another room over here for your helpers, ganon. Or, your dirty kitchen. Pwede nyo siyang gawin dyan. Balik tayo sa loob. Now, this corner over here is your dining area. So, sa dining area, kasya yung kahit round table and then 4 chairs siya. Kasya siya dito. May nasilip ako doon na maganda. And then, syempre sa ground floor natin, nabubulol. meron tayong 3 steps going down is your guest powder room. Yan, dito siya. Powder room na talaga siya. Wala siyang shower. And barn door leads to your first bedroom. Ayan yung carport, tapos yung provision na for the aircon, and this spacious. Kasya nga kahit queen to king eh. Malaki yung first bedroom. Plus, may ensuite siya. Here. Ay, malaki pa pala to, oh. Dito meron pang space for cabinet. Kasi kaya shelves yung nakalagay. You have your sink, your water closet, and a spacious shower area. Ganun kalaki. Just add your glass partition. This is nice. See? Mas ang ganda pa ng barn door, oh. Akit na tayo. Tara. I also like yung hagdan niya kasi hindi kitang-kita pagpasok ng main door. And then, before I continue going up, this I appreciate most. Yung iba kasi, nilalagay nila ng either fixed window o yung may awning type sa bandang baba. Ito, nilagyan nila ng PVC panel. So, may accent yung pinaka-wall na to. Ang ganda kaya ng effect niya. Also, nagre-reflect pa yung chandelier na yan. Ay! You have fixed window over there, kaya mas maganda. So, magandang idea to yung ganito. Yung paakyat nyo ng window. Paakyat nyo ng second floor. And also, for those who haven't subscribed yet, you can follow us on all our social media page. That's Next Level Properties. Parang nadagdagan lang yung pagkabulol ko. That's right here, you have additional wall accent. Pero pwedeng lagyan ng kung Catholic, saint, diba? Or yung mga pearls nyo. Or, just leave it like that kasi it's nice naman. At tapos dito, unahin ko na itong sa dulo ng corridor. Common toilet and bath. So, sa dulo ng second floor. And then we have 3 rooms to explore over here. This is your second. Wow, ang laki din. Ang spacious din. Yan. So, this is where you can put your headboard. Tapos dyan, vanity or study table. Ang ganda, ang spacious. Tapos, yeah. You have your cabinet. Ang laki niyan. Pakita na nga natin, Mr. Casey. Yan. Ang taas. Di ko na abot. Pero maganda kasi ang laki. Labas tayo ulit. Wow! I like this one. So you have 4-door cabinets pagpasok dito. Pwedeng study table. Tapos ito yung front ng property. So mas marami siyang natural light. And also, kahit first time ko dito, I can say tahimik yung subdivision. So medyo siya, almost gitna pa rin ng San Fernando and Angeles City kasi mang malapit pa rin dito is SM Talabastagan. Though we have orchards or green fields kung gusto niyo ng other commercial areas to visit. Pero ang laki nito. I like this one. Kahit dito king size kaya talaga, tapos that corner meron pa kayong lazy boy. No, next door. Oh, this is your primary bedroom. Ito sa laki nga. Galing, mas malaki. And your primary bedroom has air condition unit na. And then I can see, dito na yung pinaka-headboard. Ang ganda ha. Para talagang parang farmhouse for me. Or Asian nga. Yeah, kasi it's more of brown yung pinaka-interior niya. At ito, ang ganda ng windows niya, yung mga frame ng windows. Ay, ano pala to? Fixed window. Yung sa bandang kalahati lang yung hindi. Okay. And then, kung nasan si Mr. K, is yun yung entertainment wall niya. It's just a plain, pero you can still add naman kahit floating TV console. Tapos, 65-inch, kaya-kaya. 65-inch, kaya-kaya sa TV. Tapos this side, di ba ang spacious ng primary room? You have your large cabinet. Wow, ang ganda din sa loob, oh. Laki. Tapos may shelving ka dito. Malaki kasi kasya ako. Nice. Oh, sorry. And then sa tapat naman niya is your vanity area. Minimal na lang mga add nyo kasi mirror and then your stool. Tapos, ensuite, syempre. So, it's the same. Mayroon ka pa ditong storage. Sink, toilet, and your shower area. What's missing? Wala. I'll give you a quick recap sa baba. Alright, for the quick recap again, this house is located here at St. Colby Subdivision in San Fernando, Pampanga. The house is brand new and available for sale. That sits at 120 square meters for the lot area, and you have 180 square meters for your floor area. This is 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. You also have your 2-vehicle carport, and the house comes unfurnished. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what really matters, finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Azari Bicolana, Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.